All right, so you know we do this every Friday. It's rollout time. 3 contestants. They get a minute to perform. And Summer is the only judge this morning. We ain't taking no calls. And up first is Icon X. Run the track.
Yeah. Icon X represent, you know. Dance on like body's thing. Neville Simone, big up on yourself. TVJ, Smile Jamaica. That one here, if you get to you, they may get me a say. Here we go on. Up to the time on a Vibes Cartel. Lyrics them a kick like a arm where I smell. Living at the street and a crap me yourself. Full of style and groove like a medium gel. Rules of the ghetto where you see you don't tell. Every ghetto you rise break out in not shell them. So we can't do it. So we show them. Do you think my friend take on the world? Them a talk, but we intuitive. Stay far from them. Just so we live. Separate from them like a sun where I see. Stay far, cause them love mischief. We sow that a reap. So we can't sleep. Hard work. If we take on the street. Nah laugh, nah smile. Nah show no teeth diverse. Don't tell them we make casual leap. Up to the time on a Vibes Cartel. Lyrics them a kick like a arm where I smell. Living at the street and I crack me yourself. Full of style and groove like a medium gel. Rules of the ghetto where you see you don't tell. Every ghetto you rise break out the not shell them. So we can't do it. So we show them. Do you think my friend take on the world? Them a talk, but we intuitive. Stay far from them. Just so we live separate from
Is. Icon X. 4 out of 5. The next contestant is Cosmic.
You make it sound like a beauty contest. The next contestant. Sorry.
Cosmic.
You don't know see a Cosmic representing. You know. Cosmic with a K. 2 names in. When everybody have a dream. What you do about it? Simone. Neville, what you do about it? You know. Alright, ready? Kick it off. So we just keep going. Never know what's anything said from a little man a Billy rhyme. Lyrical plain incline. Sleep man a pray it rhyme. Wake up honor. So we just keep going. Never know what's anything said from a little man a Billy rhyme. Lyrical plain incline. Sleep man a pray it rhyme. Wake up honor. Yo crush road no matter what them do them couldn't pressure me. Time tell everybody face so them couldn't get the best of me. Music a Cosmic forever from ice. Introduce me living a dust down there. Yo you better declare it. I bleed this near them. Be a 10 man, I declare 10. So give me something when I declare then. Your eyesight clear, tell me where you go. A Cosmic up in the ears them. But never know what's anything said from a little man, I will rhyme. Lyrical plane.
Easy Cosmic.
3.5.
3.5.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice.
Easy, Kevin. Morning, sir. Oh. Final
This young
contestant.
man is very... Is he old enough to be on TV?
Romy. Last week, Romy said the whole of community they watch him. I want to put him on. So I guess the whole of community I watch him again.
Run it then, yeah, Romy.
Here's Romy. Run the track.
Yeah, man, Romy, you know. Yeah, pleasant good morning, judges. I mean, I say your whole world not TVJ, you don't know anything about. Yeah, man, watch your style. Watch a style, nickel a metal a hustle in a me thing in a me ready for the road like spear to car tire. Hustle a me thing in a hustle a me thing in a me nickel a metal a hustle in a me thing in a me ready for the road and a beat be a beat sir. Hustle a me thing in a hustle a me thing in a me in a the streets like white line a my time fi start shine even fi sell right pine. Hustle me a hustle every mickle make a muckle. Me a hustle every mickle make a muckle. Go dust bulldog jacket suit me fi a wear. You know me tired of the tear up shots them a swear. Come things me remember yo yeah me a feel laugh. Like when boss work me ya no want pay me off. Watch a style nickel a metal a hustle in a me thing in a me ready for the road and a do it me a do it sir. Hustle a me.
Alright.
That's a 4.5 for me.
4.5.
Yeah, man.
So contra
They were all very
judge.
good though.
Romy is the winner. Romy, me like that dance.
Romy,
Romy, how old are you?
Hustle. 12.
16? Yeah, after 16 you usually go 17. Yeah. Unless you plan to skip 2 years.
Some people do, let me tell you.
So you're 16. Oh, congrats. All right, so we're going to take a break. When we come back, outstanding and young and amazing Romy will take us. So 16 going 17.
Tune bad still.